At Triad, we're not just about building fixtures. We build your customer's experience. With over 2 million square feet of U.S. manufacturing and distribution, and a worldwide reach, we handle it all. Custom displays, global scale rollouts, immersive environments. We specialize in whatever it takes. Triad breathes life into your brand, from design concept to creation to installation. Our in-house vertical integration means we maintain the highest level of quality from start to finish. Oh, and did we mention? We do it sustainably. With 3D visualization, industry-leading production capabilities, and international distribution, we're trusted by the world's biggest names, delivering results on time, every time. Prototyping speed, massive rollout muscle. We are Triad.